Hi, I'm Carolyn, trichologist here at Absolique Hair Health Clinic. Today we have a recipe for you. It's spiced cauliflower couscous. So here, as trichologist at Absolique, I do practice what I share with you, and we're always trying to come up with easy recipes that will help you to avoid the inflammatory and the indigestible gluten, which comes from the wheat, the lactose and casein from the dairy, and also we're trying to avoid sugar and preservatives. So this particular recipe, I find it's very easy to implement in a family environment. So when you're asked to make dietary changes for the sake of health, hair, inflammation and autoimmune disorders, it can be difficult when you're catering for other people. So I find this recipe, it actually stands up to the hardest critics because it is so tasty and also easy to prepare. So we use the good old-fashioned cauliflower. I've used it in many ways as a rice. So I use it instead of different wheat grains, and it's a nutritious meal option that I use as a base for a lot of my curries. But this particular couscous recipe takes it to a different level as well. So we will have the recipe at the bottom of this blog, so go in there and have a look. But just one key point with your cauliflower, you do need to make sure that it is washed and very well dried before you put it into the food processor to get best results. And if you can, please try and use organic produce. That is actually much better for you as well. So with your cauliflower rice, your couscous, there's another one that we also use, which is your zucchini spaghetti. It does help you to get nutrition through food, but we also do use supplements, and this is when we're dealing with hair loss treatment. So food does play a very big part. So if you can try and gather up some recipes that are quick, easy and nutritious, that is very helpful. So we find with these recipes you can choose anything and convert it to something that is high in nutrition. You can add your proteins to it as well, whilst avoiding your wheat, your dairy and your sugar. So to get a link to the recipe, you can drop me an email. It's info@absolique.com.au. But to find out more about our holistic hair loss treatments and how we look at the body as a whole and help you through your own diet and lifestyle changes to overcome these things, always email me, tell me your story, and we're here to help. Thank you.